Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. In this video I have for you direct to indirect speech with may, might, can, could, shall, should, modal auxiliaries. Direct and indirect speech can be tricky when it comes to modal verb like may, can, might, could, should, must, ought to, dare, etc. Now let's go step by step in simple teacher-like explanations with examples. Basic rules to remember. When changing from direct to indirect speech, the reporting verb like Solly, said, told, asked decides the tense change. Pronouns and time expressions may change. With modals, some remain unchanged while other change to their past form. Now let us start with may, might. Direct, he said, I may go to Delhi. Indirect, he said that he might go to Delhi. So may has changed into past form might because the reporting verb said is in past tense. Number 2, can will become could. Direct, she said I can solve the problem. Indirect, she said that she could solve the problem. So here reporting verb is said past tense, so can has changed into past tense could. Might will remain as might because it is already in past form of may. Direct, he said it might rain today. Indirect, he said that it might rain that day. So might remains the same and today becomes that day. Could will remain as could because it is already the past form. Direct, they said we could swim across the river. Indirect, they said that they could swim across the river. So could remains the same. Should will also remain the same because it is the past form of shall. Direct, father said you should work hard. Indirect, father said that I should work hard. Here you has changed into I because father said to me. Must sometimes remains unchanged and sometimes becomes had to according to the meaning of the reported speech. Direct, the teacher said you must obey the rules. Indirect, the teacher said that we must obey the rules. So must is unchanged. Sometimes must changes to had to, especially in the past obligation. For example, direct, he said I must leave early. So this is past obligation. Indirect, he said that he had to leave early. So students, this is one important thing you have to remember. Ought to or ought to remains the same. Direct, she said you ought to respect your elders. Indirect, she said that I ought to respect my elders. So ought to remains unchanged. Now dare, which remains as dared because it has changed into past. Direct, he said I dare to oppose him. Indirect, he said that he dared to oppose him. So reporting verb said past, so dare has become past, dared. But as a modal, dare not or in question. Direct, he said now dare you insult me. How dare you insult me? Indirect, He asked angrily how I dared insult him. So here, according to the meaning of the reported speech, we have added angrily. Other dared, dare has become dared in similar fashion. So here is a quick summary table. Direct speech modal, indirect speech modal. Direct may, indirect might, direct can, indirect could in the past form. Direct might, direct could, indirect could. So students, please follow the chart and subscribe to ND's Grammar channel on YouTube.